Dear students, this is Afsana. I will take your home science class, and today's topic is chapter 6, lesson 3 and 4 reading done. So let's start the class. Students, just look here. This is chapter 6. We have taken some important points from these chapters. Okay, so I will now discuss about this. At first, this is lesson 3, responsibility of the family towards the disabled child. This is the chapter's name of lesson 3. So at first we have to discuss that problems a family of the disabled child faces. Okay, that means the disabled child's family actually faces lots of problems. So at first we have to know that. Problem 1. Parents usually cannot accept the news that the doctors give about their child's impairment. They consult various doctors to make sure about their child's impairment, so it delays the child's early stimulation and special care. It is quite difficult to make the parents realize that their child has to bear the disability for the whole life. Actually, disability or the impairment, actually this is a shocking news for the parents. Okay, it's the news like the bolt from the blue. Okay, so that's why it's really difficult for them to believe this truth. Now problem number 2, the mother of a disabled child suffers from heartache and depression. In many cases, she is held responsible for giving birth such type of child. She has to take all the responsibilities of the child, and often she loses the interest to do so. Now, this is problem number 3. The treatment of disabled children is very expensive, time-consuming, laborious, and demands patience. Okay, that's why as this is very much time-consuming, expensive, laborious, that's why many family actually faces lots of problems for maintaining these things. Now problem number 4. In many cases, the disabled child behaves abnormally. So when the parents take the disabled children outside the house, they feel embarrassed. Actually, this some disabled child actually they do not sometimes they don't understand the situation. Okay, they just behave like themselves, but sometimes their behavior actually embarrasses their parents. Now responsibilities we have towards the disabled child. The first one is that disabled children must be given the same love and affection like the normal children. The child must be given special care and training according to the type of disability. Okay, that means there are different types of disability. Some have the physical problems, some have the mental problems, some cannot hear properly, some cannot see. So their training level and their caring level should be different. Okay, so the family members should follow this, should be careful about their types of the disability and their special care also, training also. Special care, treatment, facilities and helpful equipment must be arranged for the child. The child must be taken out publicly in any occasion with the rest of the family members. The disabled child must be given a balanced diet. Okay, sometimes we see that they actually suffer from malnutrition. Okay, sometimes they are too much fat. That's why they need to maintain a balanced diet. The rest of the family members, including the parents, must behave and help out the disabled child in taking care of him or her. Now lesson 4, responsibility of the society towards the disabled child. Some instances of the negligence the disabled child suffer are given below. A disabled child is often become the victim of rebuke. The children of the same age bully them openly. The relatives often exclude them from family functions and get-togethers. Often the treatment becomes a lengthy process resulting in negligence. The teachers, trainers and the staff of the special needs institutions for the disabled children are not always sympathetic and cordial. Now, responsibilities towards the disabled child. They can be taken in social function and program. Sports and games can be arranged for these children based on the types of disabilities. If their family is financially hampered, we can help out to raise money for them or to give financial aid. If we explain the disability of the children to the normal children, they can become close friends to the disabled and assist them in many ways. We can have a positive view about the disabled and help them out in any way necessary. And students, just look here, this is your HW number 9 and this is make 5 MCQ from chapter 6 lesson 3 and 4. Okay, this is a HW. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.